Hi. So today I'm going to show you Jawar Bhakri. Jawar Bhakri आपने सुना होगा. Jawar is one of the best complex carb ever used. Complex carbs का मतलब क्या है कि जो आपको पूरे दिन भर एनर्जी देगी. नॉर्मली सिंपल कार्ब्स जैसे कि आप राइस खाते हो या कोई भी शुगर सब्सटेंस खाते हो वो इट रिलीज एनर्जी इंस्टेंटली. तो अगर आप राइस खा रहे हो रात को यानी खाना खाते हो रात में राइस में तो क्या होता है कि वो एनर्जी रिलीज होती है. अभी रात को आप वर्कआउट तो नहीं कर रहे, आपका कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं है, एक्टिविटी नहीं है, तो दैट सिंपल कार्ब गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू फैट्स. लेकिन सिंपल कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब जस्ट लाइक जवार इट इज कंप्लीटली ग्लूटेन फ्री. सम पीपल एक्सपोर्ट दिस jawar flour as a gluten free flour. So what you should do, jawar bhakri is one of the best way to that. Only thing is that it's somewhat complicated. You have to boil water and then you have to add that in jawar flour and then it mixed like that. So you can't make it with belan, you can't use belan. So you have to use powder, this part, yeah. And this is the way you have to do. It is somewhat, initially it will be somewhat complex, you will feel it difficult, but this particular complex carb will give you energy for whole day. What happens? It has protein, it has complex carb, it has some small amount of fat, but the way if you consume only one bhakri, it is just like roti. But if you consume just one bhakri, it's more than enough for whole day, and it's continuously gives. Like suppose if you are doing deadlift, or if you are putting on weight, you are taking a weight of say 30 kg, 40 kg, you need lot of energy. Whenever you try to pull that weight, you need that energy, and that energy get released through that complex carbs. And this is the complex carbs. There are other complex carbs like sweet potato, then you can have bajra, then you can have wheat also. But wheat has protein, carbs, at the same time it has maida, So I prefer that you should have consume jawar bhakri. You can consume the jawar along with, if you make this multigrain atta, like you can consume with thalipit, which is another traditional dish, or you can make some theple. You have to mix this jawar with something else if you really want to make another dish. But bhakri is one of the best things. See, right now actually I am rolling this and you have to apply water. Initially, when I tried, I failed. 2 days. I was continuously feeling that this bhakri got burned. पूरी जल गई थी. ऐसी जल गई ना तो मैं ऐसे देखते रह गया. फर्स्ट डे तो ऐसा था कि ऑयल डाला था, शायद मैंने गलती से किधर वीडियो में देखा था, मैं अभी इसका नाम नहीं लेता. लेकिन अभी जो भाकरी बन रही है वो ठीक बन रही है. अभी शेप वगैरह तो मैं सोचता नहीं खाना बनाते वक्त. डेफिनेटली that should be a round shape. Most important thing, there is no oil. You don't have to apply oil. You have to I'm fighting something. Okay, what you should do, wait for 2 minutes. This particular portion gets dry and then you can reverse side, you can heat it. Okay, so this is the bhakri. So you have to make, say I'm making right now 2 or 3 bhakri. It takes hardly few minutes to make bhakri, but this is really an awesome. You can eat it with vegetarian food, like I just prepared bengal, and then you can have it with non-vegetarian food. You can have it egg curry. It's really awesome. Initially sometimes some people don't like the taste because it has a somewhat bland taste. But then you can find out the sweetness in that bhakri. It has protein, it has good amount of protein. Some people are asking, so many people ask me, can you make mix of jawar and rice? Normally I will not prefer to do that because again rice has a simple carb, and though rice actually glows your skin, but if you really want to eat bhakri, it's better you eat a real pure jawar bhakri. That's the best thing. And please cook it at home, because whenever you buy jawar bhakri from hotel, restaurant or anywhere, we are not sure whether it's a pure jawar or it's a mixed jawar. Rice flour mix करते हैं और कोई भी. और second thing, hygiene नहीं रहता, clean नहीं रहता. So normally what I do, I actually ground this flour at my home. I have my home mill, so that's the best way. I love to cook, and you know that. So, and it gives power. It's kind of different kind of energy which gives. Yeah, I like to watch this awesome. Yeah, thank you Abdul. Thank you Traving Devina. Thank you so much. Bajrika. No, this is jawar roti. Bag and bow. This is jawar roti. See that? Bro, where are you? Where you stay? I stay in Thane. I like to watch it. It's awesome. Thank you so much. What are you having with bajre? This is not bajre ki roti. This is jawar roti, and there's a bengal. Okay, this is bangan with dry prawns. You know, have you heard about it? One of my friends who is Australian chef, he is fond of these dry prawns. Whenever he comes from Australia, he actually takes away those dry prawns. People say it's a poor man's food. No, it has protein. Okay, it is really a delicious food. People can use it. It is stored and you can store it for a whole year. And it's just like a prawns, but they are dried prawns, very small prawns. So you can add a little bit of flavor. There's famous Australian chef, actually I don't remember the name, when there was an Australian master chef, he actually talked about these dry prawns. And they have a good protein, it gives a flavor. So what he started using that dry prawns. He started adding those dry prawns in so many recipes. So he said, okay, it's something different. He started liking it. Yeah. Then we'll come over to meet and eat. Definitely you can come here, but only thing is that why I'm doing this live, because today there's no possibility that you can come here. After lockdown, definitely you are always welcome. Or you can do one thing. You can join my community. That's the community for the people who are interested in fitness. They want to lose weight. You can join the community where I teach people how to do workout, to lose weight. It's in English, means it's Hindi and English. You will learn about nutrition. Even you learn about hypnosis. So there are different courses I'm actually giving as a bundle. This is just the initial offer. So there's a Mind Body Miracles course. Yeah. Really liked your idea of coming live and doing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much being alive. I want to know your name. Thank you so much. So what I'm talking about, I'm fitness. People say why you are a fitness freak. The thing is that I'm not a fitness freak. Any person can become a fitness freak. Really, it should convert into passion. If you really want to come into fitness, I'm not saying that okay, it should be a selected person. Any person can come into the passion and he can convert that particular friend into passion. What happened normally? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, so just I'm actually whenever any person really want to build their body, or they want to come into a beautiful physique, or even they want to lose a weight, it should convert into passion. So my course, which actually launched, you can see my story, it is specifically designed for the people who really want to convert fitness into passion. Like it should be a passion, then you can do workout, you can build an awesome body, you can convert your normal body into a beautiful body. So that's why this Mind Body Miracles, my course, it is a combination of everything. So it will not only work on body, it will work on mind, it will work on nutrition. So it has hypnosis audio, so that you just have to listen to this hypnosis audio every night, so that you will get encouraged to do workout the next day. Then there is the affirmations video. This is a special affirmation video. It's something special. Then there is a nutrition, how to use a balanced diet. Then again I'm talking about exercise videos. Again, the most important thing that I do every week, weekly live. That's for almost 1 hour. You will do exercise with me. For 1 hour, I will do exercise and you will do hypnosis, you will do meditation with me. We'll talk on nutrition, there's a question answer session, everything. This is awesome. You can see my story, the people are joining. And most importantly, if you watch the video, go to my profile, go to my bio, you will find the video link. If you click the video link, you will get the excited offer. I'm not going to disclose right now. Or if you want to disclose, I can disclose, because this is mind-blowing offer, as I am giving you this official online membership of gym. It's like a membership gym, which is a Mind Body Fitness. It's a virtual gym. But what you are getting, you must be spending say 10,000 rupees per annum, or you must be spending say 1,800 rupees per month for this workout. Okay, so if you are joining a gym, I am giving you lifetime membership of this lifetime membership in a mind-blowing price. Any person who is interested, they can message me, they can chat me in the direct message. I'm not going to disclose. I just want to make it curious. Okay, so that's the thing. So what I'm saying, if any person want to try this Jawar Bhakri, you should try it. It has excellent complex carbs. One more thing, if you are not able to do this Jawar Bhakri, you can add Bajra Bhakri. Bajra Bhakri is very simple to make. And the most, then you can go to Rajgira Bhakri. It is again a fantastic complex carb. You can use that in your diet, and you can add any pulses or any vegetable or even in a non-vegetable. So this is about Jawar or Bajra Bhakri. So you can try it, and thank you so much for being on live. Any questions you have? Yeah, thank you. Hi Sakshi. Yeah, thank you so much for being on live. And yeah, you're right, mate. Wow, nice. Thank you so much for that. That's great. So this is the way actually I make bhakri. So sometimes my friends come to me, they join for lunch or dinner, So they are always invited. And I really like to serve. You know, if you cook and if you serve, it's a different kind of satisfaction. You know, giving is a different kind of satisfaction. Whether you are giving as a food, giving means offering a food. I'm not saying it's a giving, or even if you are giving money, or if you are giving a knowledge. So all those things have a different kind of satisfaction. So you should do that. So this is the way I cook, and every day we have to cook. Instead of going to restaurant, it's better to cook your own food, enjoy healthy food, do workout just for 20 minutes. That's the only requirement. Do workout 20 minutes or at least do some activity. Because I always say diet is the most important. 80% diet and 20% exercise. That's the thing. So, thank you so much for being on live. Any question you want to ask, you can ask the question. If you have any subject on which I have to talk on live, मैं बता सकता हूँ. I will speak in Hindi or English. Even I speak. Obviously, I'm a Marathi person, so I can speak in Marathi. I don't bother about the language. But the thing is, any question or any subject on which I have to talk on live, or any person want to discuss about health and fitness, definitely they are free to discuss about it. They can ask any question related to my course. They can ask any question related to health, fitness, nutrition, anything. Okay? So, if you are, okay, I'm ending right now definitely because I'm hungry. I have to eat. It's the lunch time. Actually, it's delayed. I normally take lunch at 1:30. So, I have to cook it and I have to eat it. So, everything is ready. I'm not going to eat rice today. Once in a week, I eat rice. So, you can think about that. Dinner I skip. I always say, no, 90% time I skip the dinner. So, this is the way actually I explain diet. Okay, so thank you so much for being live. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart. Okay, enjoy your day.